Guys, okay, so I just got something in the mail and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all of that. Okay. So I got an upgrade. I just got some package in the mail and I'm so excited, guys. Like, I've been wanting this phone for the longest time. Like, the time the iPhone 14 got released, I knew that I wanted it. Originally wanted it in the purple, but I was like everyone is going for the purple, so I just went for my favorite color, black, and so I got it in the space black, and it just came. I want to unbox it with you. I told you guys I'm manifesting it, and honestly, the time I filmed that video, I knew I wanted it, but I didn't know how I was gonna get it. But you know, let it go and prayed about it, and yeah, so I ordered it I think on Tuesday, and it came today, which is a Friday. Thought it was gonna take like 2 weeks, but I guess not. And yeah, I'm so excited. Let me show you guys. So I got 2 packages. I think these are the AirPods, and then I think this is the phone. Yeah, so let me unbox the AirPods first. Actually, let me open the phone. Here it is, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's open it. So guys, honestly, look at it. Wow. Okay, so let me noise. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. Hi. What do South Africans say? Bophelo bo chentitse dithapelo di lendile, some shit like that. But like, period, because I've been wanting this one for so long, and I've been wanting to come back on YouTube for so long, because you know my situation. My original phone, I have to use earphones because the speaker doesn't work. My earphones are messed up. The phone I was borrowed or given for work is also like the camera is shaky, like it's a lot. And I've been praying for this phone, I've been manifesting this phone, and God finally answered my prayers. Like it's amazing. It feels so good. And also I was using an iPhone 6s, so it was about time. Okay, it was about time to get an upgrade, and I'm so happy. It's so gorgeous. Wow. Okay, let me turn it on. Oh my god. Well, hello. Hi. Oh, guys. Yay. It's so pretty. Okay, let me go set it up and then, well, actually, let me unbox my AirPods. It's normal AirPods, but I want to do a whole unboxing, and yeah, and I'm gonna have to set it up, and then I'll probably put the screen protector on the screen later once they arrive, but for now I'm just gonna enjoy it. Oh, it's so gorgeous. The box for the AirPods. Also, guys, I know everyone has AirPods in America and iPhone. Well, not everyone, but you know what I'm saying. But back in South Africa, this is expensive. This is like 2K. 2K. And it's also expensive here. But I've been wanting them. Like, I'm just in my spoiled girl era. This is a new year. We're gonna manifest, we're gonna pray, we're gonna save, and we're gonna do everything that we want to do in God's grace, by God's will. Okay, period. So I got the normal ones. I don't really like the pros. So I just got these ones, and you want my earphones are busted. They're tired. Like, they're tired, and I'm tired of having strings following me around and stuff. So period. So I got these, and I got them the same day also. They were delivered at the same time, and I thought actually these were gonna arrive before the phone. These were supposed to originally arrive today, but the phone was supposed to arrive, excuse me, between next week and the week after that. So I'm happy about it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is a short video, but I wanted to share my excitement with you. Okay, like, okay, and I want to show you guys proof that I'll be back for real, and I'll be filming for real, and I hope you guys follow me and join me on this journey, because I really just want to create content because it makes me happy, and I'm planning to do a lot this year. Hopefully God just blesses me and helps me achieve those goals, but this is a beginning. Okay, I know I sound like I'm exaggerating, but I'm not. This is like the beginning. Okay,